Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nylon crochet yarn is probably one of the most versatile and durable materials you can use for your crochet projects, offering a unique blend of strength, smoothness, and water resistance that makes it perfect for everything from cozy sweaters to stunning home decor accents. In this video, we will explore what makes nylon yarn special, the different types available, and guide you through selecting the perfect one for your next creation. Number 5. Acrylic Yarn Craft Kit. This kit includes 20 skeins of acrylic yarn, each offering approximately 22 yards of vibrant color. It's perfect for a variety of projects big and small. With a total of 438 yards, you'll have plenty of yarn to create numerous colorful crafts. Let your imagination run wild. It's an excellent starter kit for beginners in crochet and knitting. 7 ebooks with patterns are included to guide you. The kit boasts 20 different colors, providing a rainbow of options for your creative projects. Find the perfect shade for every design. Each skein is conveniently sized at approximately 3 by 1.5 inches, making it ideal for smaller projects like amigurumi or granny squares. Perfect for accent pieces too. This yarn is a light worsted weight, also known as 4-ply or 3DK thickness. It's soft, easy to work with, and creates beautiful textures. What we like? It's a great value pack with 20 different colors, perfect for trying various projects. If you are a beginner and want to explore different colors and techniques, this is a great option to start your colorful crafting journey. It includes ebooks with patterns to help you get started. What people say. The yarn is high enough quality that it's easy for the kids to work with. The colors are bright and vibrant, and the kids really love being able to choose a few colors they love. The skeins are small, but just the right size for a small beginner project. Number 4. Red Heart Crochet Thread Teal. Get ready to create beautiful projects with our new crochet thread. It's 100% nylon for durability and comes in a convenient 150-yard tube. This thread is made from 100% nylon, ensuring strength and a smooth texture for your creations. Enjoy its vibrant teal color. It's versatile. Use it for both crochet and knitting projects. The size 18 weight is ideal for various designs. With a suggested gauge of 16 to 20 stitches per 4 by 4 inch square when crocheting, and 21 to 24 stitches when knitting, it's simple to work with. Achieve beautiful results effortlessly. Each tube provides 150 yards of thread, giving you ample length for your projects, big or small. Unleash your imagination. For years, Red Heart has been a trusted brand for crafters. This thread continues the tradition of quality and value. What we like? This yarn is incredibly smooth and strong due to being 100% nylon. If you're looking for a durable and sleek yarn for detailed projects, this is the one. It's perfect for delicate crochet or knitting that requires a consistent, high-quality thread. What people say. Nice texture, sturdy, doesn't tangle up as easily as I had feared. The color is just like the picture and the quality is exactly what I expected. Nice to work with. This is my favorite crochet thread. Size 10 is just perfect for me to use. This Red Heart is great quality, the thread is one continuous string with no knots in it. I use this to make doilies and they look fabulously antique in this color. So easy to work with. Number 3. Blue Cotton-Nylon Yarn Kit. This kit is perfect for beginners. It's a soft, easy-to-use cotton-nylon blend yarn ideal for your first crochet or knitting project. It's incredibly soft and smooth, unlike other yarns. You'll love how easy it is to work with. The stitches are clear and easy to see, making it perfect for learning. You'll be creating beautiful projects in no time. This worsted weight yarn is the ideal weight for beginners. It's easy to handle and manage. It's great for many projects, from clothing and accessories to toys and more. Let your creativity shine. For knitting, use a 5.5 mm needle. For crochet, use a 5 mm hook. The gauge is clearly defined for your convenience. It's machine washable for easy care. Just wash it cold and let it air dry. What we like? It's a soft and easy-to-use blend perfect for beginners. If you are a beginner and want to learn crochet or knitting, this yarn's easy-to-see stitches will make learning a breeze. It's also great for a variety of projects. What people say. The cotton-nylon blend is incredibly smooth and soft, making it a joy to work with. Unlike acrylic yarn, there's no fuzz, and it's easy to see each stitch clearly, which is perfect for beginners, making the whole process smooth and enjoyable. It is very easy and fast to crochet with and works up nicely. The smooth no-fray yarn is easy and satisfying to use, and works up quickly. Great for practicing different stitches because you can see each stitch super clearly. Number 2. Red Heart Nylon Crochet Thread. Get ready to experience the smooth and easy crafting with our new Red Heart Nylon Crochet Thread. It's made of 100% nylon, ensuring a durable and long-lasting project. This thread is made from 100% nylon, making it incredibly strong and resistant to wear and tear. Your creations will last for years to come. It's incredibly easy to use, perfect for both beginners and experienced crocheters. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable crafting experience. This vibrant teal color adds a pop of color to any project. Let your imagination run wild and create something beautiful. With its versatility and ease of use, it's perfect for a wide range of projects. Create unique and stunning pieces with this amazing thread. You can trust in the quality and reliability of Red Heart. It's a brand you can depend on for all your crafting needs. What we like. Made of 100% nylon, it's known for its strength and smooth texture. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use nylon thread for your projects, this is a great choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications. What people say. Very easy to crochet with. Excellent choice for purses and macrame. I bought this to crochet a little sling for carrying a water bottle. I found this product of good quality and it was easy to work with. This was softer than expected based on my experience from other nylon threads. It is not stretchy, the stitches have stretch to it, but not the nylon. Super sturdy. I made a net for my son's stuffed animals in his bedroom. Easy to use and soft. Number 1. Woobles Easy Peasy Yarn. It's made of a soft cotton nylon blend, giving it a smooth and modern look. You'll love that it's durable and won't easily fray or snag. The worsted weight yarn is perfect for beginners. Its smooth texture makes stitches easy to see, creating beautiful projects. Knitting with this yarn is a breeze. Use a 5.5 mm needle to achieve a gauge of 4x4, 10 cm x 10 cm, with 20 stitches and 28 rows. Crocheting is just as simple. A 5 mm hook creates a 4x4, 10 cm x 10 cm, gauge with 13 single crochets and 14 rows. It comes in 13 beautiful colors, from classic neutrals to vibrant shades. There's a perfect color for every project. What we like. This yarn offers a premium look and feel thanks to its soft cotton nylon blend. If you appreciate high-quality materials and want easy-to-see stitches for a smooth crafting experience, this is for you. It's perfect for those who want beautiful results without the struggle. What people say. It's thick and easy to see and tell what's going on. It doesn't fray into a billion little pieces, and the stitches being easy to see makes following patterns easier. The softness is good, and the size is respectably large. Durability is 2010, it is very hard to break, and is very sturdy, which is great for beginners. The material on the inside is made out of thin stuffing instead of just yarn, which makes it easier to see stitches and make stitches. Overall, material is great. It doesn't fray and split like most yarns when trying to put the hook into the holes. I would describe the yarn as similar to flat shoestrings, only softer and smoother. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.